Hi guys, welcome to this quick video about the question what you can do when Android is disabling the gesture navigation and is putting you back on this 3 or 4 buttons control like here. Yeah, I got a new phone just I think 1 or 2 months ago. That's the Doogee S96 Pro. It has Android 10 and I love the gesture navigation where I can just swipe. I have a larger screen. I don't have to deal with these things here. It's really convenient. A lot of people are loving this, and it's a pain when an Android just disables this and shows you this button, and you have to go to the settings and then activate this thing again. Here it is, navigation bar, instead of virtual key. You have to go back to the gesture navigation. So I have to do this every morning, and so I was a little bit tired of the thing, and I did a little bit of research on that, and I wanted to show what I have learned, what the possibilities are, and how it may look in the future. So this is what you find. I mean, depending on the navigation system what you have, I mean, normally it's not happening when you are using the normal launcher, like normal desktop, which is pre-installed on like Android, the normal desktop. It's not happening. It's usually just happening when you're using an alternate launcher like the Nova launcher or the Niagara launcher or something like that. Yeah, you have to really then go back every morning to the gesture navigation, and I have found, luckily when I went into the Nova launcher setting, they were showing me some information. Unfortunately, I cannot show you this information anymore. It was just a one-time thing. I clicked on that and they brought me to this information here, or to a similar information, but they don't show this thing again. But I can show you a similar thing here. What they are saying, you can read Google's official statement about full system gesture not working with any third-party launcher like Nova launcher. This is 100% on Google's end and has been for months. It's up to Google to fix it in a future update of Android 10. This update is from September 2019, so yeah, I would say more than 1.5 years old. I don't know if it was not possible at all to go into gesture, or they are talking about this reset thing. I'm not 100% sure about that, but anyway, when you click on the thing, you get to this website and they have this information where they are saying that custom launchers are another area where we have heard feedback and where we are continuing to work, particularly with stability and recents. Starting in beta 6 will switch users to 3-button navigation when they are using a custom launcher by default. Exactly, that's the thing here where they are stating what they are doing, and the question is then what can we do? Is there a workaround around that? And yeah, there is one. I can tell you that's the positive thing. There is some solution about that. The negative thing is the solution is definitely not easy. When you search for a thing here, that's one page here where they are describing a little bit how to reset this thing here. By the way, I'll put down the links which you need down into the description, so you don't have to write it down, so you can just click on these things. There's a little bit of information about that here, how you could reset this thing or like make it work again, because it looks like it's definitely working. This one is saying I fixed by making Nova launcher a system app with the app systemizer through Magisk. Yeah, the thing is, we can go a little bit further here. That's a little bit more about the app systemizer, how to use that, and a couple of things about that. The problem is just, or there are a couple of problems actually with this thing, how to install, how to use this thing. The first thing is how to install Magisk. I mean, the current version, I think it's V22, and it's definitely not an easy thing. This video is very short, but it doesn't show you everything. When you go through this video here, you will see how difficult this is. They are talking about things which I've never heard, and you need a lot of knowledge. It's also a lot of risk, I can tell you. I'm not 100% sure if you need a root for that. I think not. I cannot tell you 100% if a root is required. I've been doing some research and I haven't found any final thing about that. I think you can use this Magisk without root. I don't know if you have all options, but this thing looks like really difficult to install. It's not an easy thing. I can really tell you, I've been following the screen a little bit what this guy was doing, and I can tell you it's really difficult. It's not something which normal guy like you and me can do. I mean, I've been programmer like for 25 years and I wouldn't do that. I mean, I would do that with a phone which I don't care, which I don't need for daily use, which is really not needed, and I wouldn't mind if it's like offline or unusable like for a week or two or even for a month or so. I would try this, of course. Maybe I would succeed, but I wouldn't do that like with my main phone, which I rely on every day from morning till evening. I definitely wouldn't do. And here that's the video how to systemize an app using Magisk. So you need these 2 videos, maybe even a little bit more, but at the end it should be possible to do that. So the Android won't kick you out of the gesture navigation anymore every day. So yeah, that's the information. So for me, I'm waiting till maybe we'll get some update, maybe Android 11, maybe they'll fix that, maybe I don't know what's going on. I mean, I can live with that. It's just a one-time thing every day, but I wanted to give you all the information so you can decide on your own what to do. I mean, there is a solution, but there's a big risk, I would say, that you trash your phone maybe during this installation. I can't tell you how large the risk is, but for me it looks like quite large. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.